All right. I'm not doing a video about the iReady because you guys have that. You guys know what to do. I think your teachers have given you good instructions on those. We are on the last square in the second row. Compare and contrast. Basketball and a sport of your choice. Compare and contrast. Okay, when we compare and contrast, that's when we talk about things that they have in common, things that are the same, and things that are different. So this is what your compare and contrast page looks like. All right, very similar to this. I want you to notice that these two circles are a little bit bigger. This is where you write your two sports. You're going to write basketball in one, and you're going to choose another sport in another. Now these three circles in the middle, notice that they're connected to both of the sports. Okay, so these three ones in the middle, these are things that the sports have in common, that they both have. Now, they each have three circles on the outside that is only connected to one sport. So these are things that are different about them. Okay, let me do an example. Instead of using sports, let me do an example with cats and dogs. Okay, so in the two bigger circles here, this is where I write the subjects that I am comparing and contrasting. So I'm going to write cats, and I'm going to write dogs. For yours, you're going to write basketball, and you're going to write another sport. Now, I need to think of three things that cats and dogs have in common. Three things that are the same with cats and dogs, okay? They have fur. They are pets. And let me see. They have ears. Cats have ears and dogs have ears. Cats are pets and dogs are pets. Cats have fur and dogs have fur. Okay? These are things they have in common. Now, I'm going to look at things that are different. Things that only apply to cats. Okay? Cats say meow. Oh, my pen doesn't want to work. Okay. Cats say meow. Dogs don't say meow. Okay. Cats. I'm going to have to think. Let me go over to dogs. A lot of times what you can do, whatever you have for this one over here, you're going to have an opposite over here. Cats say meow. Dogs bark. This pen's awful. Goodbye, pen. Okay. Bark. Oh, I know. Cats climb trees. Dogs can't climb trees. What do dogs do that cats don't do? You know what? Dogs swim. Maybe cats can swim, but they really don't like it. At least most of them don't. I have an aunt that did, but that's a whole nother story. Okay? Now, let me think of one more thing. It's hard for you to see that one down there, all right at the top. Cats purr. Dogs don't purr. What do dogs do that, oh, you know what? Dogs whine. I don't hear cats whine. And that's it. I have compared and contrasted cats and dogs. I put the subjects in the big circles. In the three middle circles, I put things that are the same. In the outside circles, I put on this outside circle things that only go with dogs, and on this one, only go with cats. So with you now need to get your paper out. You need to write basketball in this circle and another sport in this circle. You need to think of three things that they have in common and write them in these three circles. Then three things that only go with basketball here, and three things that only go with your other sport here. And then you are done comparing and contrasting two sports. And you can check off this box. Good job.